Welcome to my kitchen. Today on Cooking Show at Home, we're making juicy, tender, meatless meatballs in a flavorful vegetable broth with tomato sauce. They've got a little parboiled rice inside for a great texture, and the sauce is slightly tangy with just a touch of sweetness. They're perfect with mashed potatoes, pasta, or your favorite grains. You can see the full list of ingredients on your screen and in the video description below. Please give this video a like, leave your questions in the comments, and subscribe to my channel for more recipes. I'm using Impossible plant-based ground beef, but you can use any brand, or even regular ground beef or chicken if you're not keeping it vegetarian. Okay, let's start. The first step, cook the rice. First, let's cook the rice, but just halfway. Bring it to a boil. Turn off the heat, cover with a lid and a kitchen towel, and let it sit for 10 minutes. Then uncover and let it cool. Step 2. Make the broth. While the rice is cooling, peel and grate half the onion and carrot into a mixing bowl. The other half goes into a pot with 5 cups of water, along with the whole peppercorns and coriander seeds to make a quick vegetable broth. Add about 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Remove the seeds from half a red bell pepper. Dice it and add it to the mixing bowl with the grated onion and carrot. Make the meatball mix. Add the plant-based ground meat, cooled rice, minced garlic, dice it and add it to the mixing bowl. Chopped dill, add olive oil and about half a teaspoon of salt to the bowl. Mix everything well with your hands. Remove the cooked onion and carrot from the broth and discard them. Stir in the tomato sauce. Add the sugar and bay leaf and bring it back to a boil. All right, now time to shape and cook our meatballs. Keep a small bowl of cold water nearby. Wet your hands, roll the mixture into small balls, and drop them gently into the boiling broth. Wetting your hands helps prevent sticking. If they're not all submerged, stir them gently now and then. Adjust salt if needed and simmer for about 10 minutes. Serve the meatballs hot with the broth and garnish with fresh basil or parsley. Enjoy your delicious homemade meatless meatballs. If you liked this recipe, please like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more cooking show at home recipes.